Hello, welcome to ezSmoke, the smoker's alternative. Today we are going to do the eSmart starter kit. Now, the eSmart starter kit is it's a kit that is in between the 510 and the Ego kit, and this is the product there. You can see that it's bigger than the normal 510, but it's smaller than an Ego. Here's an Ego in comparison. So you can see difference in size. The advantage of the eSmart is that it has a 320 mAh battery, which means that it lasts longer than the 510 battery, which the 510 batteries come in at 140, 160, 180 mAh. So this one, not for a heavy user, but it would last most people. It would last a light user or someone on a night out. Probably all for a night, or maybe even longer. Okay, how does it work? Oh, hit the button. Now, as you can see, there's plenty of vapor. Today's flavor choice in this particular eSmart Clearomizer is tea juice caramel custard. Very tasty. Right, so when you get your kit, it comes in this box. You can see it says eSmart, and it comes with a little charger as well. Can we see that? There you go. Oh, turn it up. Right side up. That makes a difference always. I'll just show you the plug first. Now, that's your plug. Comes a little bit of plastic wrapping. You might just open that off here. If we can open the wrapper. Here we go. So there's your plug. You can see it has a little USB fitting on the end of it. And I said, here's your eSmart. Now, in your eSmart box, I'll take the lid off there. Let's put that over to one side here a second. And you can see that it comes with 2 batteries and 2 clearomizers. So we lift the top off there. It also comes with a little instruction manual. So it shows you everything how to use it. And then it comes with the little eSmart USB adapter. That guy plugs into your charger like that. So you can see there. One thing about the eSmart charger is that it's different to a 510 and an Ego charger, because for the battery to screw in, it has a little 510 fitting here. Some of the eSmart chargers come with that, with an actual fitting there. More of them have a separate 510 to Ego fitting attached to it. Either or, both will work to charge your kit, charge your battery, I should say. So I'm just putting that back on there. Right, so here is your eSmart. This is the one I've taken out of the box. Let's see, normally the batteries come with a certain amount of pre-charge, and the batteries also normally come in a deactivated way. So to activate the battery, you can see the little button here, that needs to be pressed 5 times. So if I press it there, no, nothing happens, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can see it flash there. That means the battery is activated and ready to go. So I'm just going to take off, there's nothing in this clearomizer. So what I'm going to do is going to take off this clearomizer, and I'm going to put on the one that I had filled earlier. So to take off the clearomizer, just screws off the battery like that. Put onto your battery, just screws in like this. And to go, press the button and inhale. To fill the clearomizer, you see this little tip that just screws off like that. And then you can get your choice of e-liquid. Let me find the caramel custard I had in here earlier. Where are we? Here we are. Tea juice caramel custard today. So to put liquid into your clearomizer, just screw off the bottle of your liquid. And when you're putting in the e-liquid, you need to make sure that you put the liquid down the side of the clearomizer, not down through the center hole. Can you see that? I'm going to put that up there so you can see the center hole. You don't want to go down through the center hole, you want to go down the side. Sometimes it can be just a little bit fiddly to get it down. What I do in that case is I get a little paper clip or something. Do I have one here? Just 1 second here now. We'll find a paper clip. Have one. Just because the eSmart, it's smaller than your CE4 clear miser, so it's quite small just to get the liquid down the side, and sometimes it just gets a little airlocked, and you just need to give it a little paper clip down there, and that lets the liquid go down. So we're just putting more liquid in here now down the side. Zoop, zoop, zoop. We're nearly there, nearly full. Nearly full. You can see it filling up there. Can you see it in the camera? See, we're nearly full there. Yeah, that should do us. And tip back on. And off you go. The eSmart Clear Miser holds, I think it's, is it 1 mil, 1.1 mil of liquid. It's not to keep most people going for a few hours. To charge your battery, unscrew your battery like that. If there's a little bit of a build up on the battery, sometimes you can get a bit of condensation on that end. What I do is I just get a little tissue. Do I have one here in my pocket? I would often just give it a quick wipe, just like that. Just a quick wipe to make sure it's clean. Then you get your charger. I've one attached here earlier. You can see I have a plug there. That's the mains to USB plug. This is your eSmart charger. And all you do is get your hold it like that. You'll see that the light on your little eSmart USB charger is green when it's plugged in. So you just get your battery, screw it on. Nothing needs to go tight or anything. And then you've seen the light there is gone red. Just hold it up a bit closer there. That light is red. When that light turns green, your battery is charged. It takes roughly about 2 hours to charge an eSmart battery from flat. In a nutshell, that is the eSmart electronic cigarette. I can see these guys actually getting quite popular because some people don't like the larger size of the Ego, and this one is nice and discreet, fits easy in your pocket, goes nice in the hand. Yep, eSmart. Okay, come back soon for the next video. Bye.